Stop ruining salmon. This honey-glazed salmon turns perfectly juicy in just 10 minutes. 2 salmon fillets. 2 tablespoons honey. 2 tablespoons soya sauce. 3 garlic cloves minced. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Salt and black pepper. Chili flakes optional. Pat the salmon dry using a paper towel. Season both sides with salt and black pepper. Heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Place salmon skin side down and cook for about 4 minutes until crispy and golden. Add minced garlic and sauté for about 20 seconds until fragrant. Pour in honey, soy sauce, and lemon juice. Let the sauce simmer until it thickens slightly. Flip the salmon gently. Spoon the honey glaze over the fish continuously while it cooks. Cook another 2 to 3 minutes until tender, and coat it in a glossy caramelized sauce. For more fast and delicious recipes like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.